Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am the class and today we will be doing the teaser of Godrej Regal Pavilion, a premium residential project which is located in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this is going to be your marketing office and your land parcel is right there. So, the project has come up with very exciting offer for all the domestic and international customers, which is 20:80 scheme, in which customer just pays 20% for the booking and 80% at the time of handover. In between that, no payments, no EMIs, no loan until the time of handover. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like the project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and a lot more. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. You see, Godrej Regal Pavilion will be constructed on 12.5 acres of land parcel in Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad. The township features 9 high-rise residential towers, each with 4 levels of basement parking plus ground plus 32 upper floors, and a newly launched Tower 8 exclusively having 3 and 3.5 BHK apartments, which is 6 apartments per floor with 5 elevator, and apart from that we have our 4 BHK premium residences. Now coming to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located at Rajendra Nagar Main Road, Hyderabad. So this is your entire connectivity of the road, and from that side of the road you easily connect to the outer ring road. Now, coming over to the connectivity part, the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is only a 15 minutes drive from here. The Nehru Outer Ring Road is right over here, which is only 1 kilometer away, and NH44 again being only 1 kilometer away. Now, let's talk about the amenities part. So you see, the project is offering you swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor games, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, and a lot more. Now let's talk about the super built-up area for 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. 3 BHK is 1643 to 2365 square feet, and 3.5 BHK is 2674 square feet, and 4 BHK is 2883 to 3572 square feet. Now, booking process. Let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site, where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share you the pricing, payment plans, and the offers as well. You will also be taken at the sample flat apartment and at the actual site of the location, and if the client likes the project, they can proceed by the payment. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Regal Pavilion by Godrej Properties, a premium residential development which is located in Rajendra Nagar. For more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.